Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. This pasta dish can be served with fish, with chicken, and it's so delicious. Let's begin. Sprinkle salt in the pan with water and boil the water. This is the pasta we are using today. Once the water boils, put in the pasta. Do not break it. Do not add oil because the sauce will not stick if it's oily. Adding sausages is optional. In a pan, heat oil on medium heat. Then add your sausages. Mine were parboiled, so I cooked them for 3 to 4 minutes only. This was a turkey chicken Russian sausage. Any type of sausage you like will do, especially if it's not processed. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Once they are done, take them off the heat and drain the oil in a paper towel. I would like to thank you, my returning subscribers, for your continuous support. If you are a returning viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's make an Alfredo sauce. Take out the oil, then melt butter, then fry chopped garlic for 2 minutes on medium to low heat. Stir. Reduce the heat, then add heavy cream and stir. Add Parmesan cheese. I only had the finely grated Parmesan. Stir and switch off the heat. The sauce will thicken with residual heat from the stove. A warm welcome to my new viewers. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Sprinkle salt, a pinch, add black pepper and stir. Add the drained pasta and mix it with the sauce by tossing to avoid breaking it. You may add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm pasta water because the sauce tends to thicken. Sprinkle some fresh herbs there. If you're not adding sausage, it's time to dish. Serve it whilst it's hot. Please press the like button and add your comment below. Please let me know what is your favorite Alfredo fettuccine. You may sprinkle more fine Parmesan cheese, and that will be it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.